mother's sister.
Yep.
You say?
Yep. That's where Hank and Henry, Hank and Daryl.
Daryl's still alive, isn't he?
Yeah, he's 90-some.
Yep.
168 people.
When I was a kid, it was 127.
Yeah. What did it say just now?
170.
Oh.
Yeah, here's
And
where
this was the important elevator. Snyder, a relative,
Yeah.
operated it.
And nobody here
But it's
now?
gone.
Or,
Yeah.
There you see Hess. That's,
yeah,
Yep.
HASS.
yeah, that's relatives. Here's where Harry's store was right over here. Markle was right here. He was feeding, and he ran this other elevator.
Look at that.
This guy, I don't know. He's what's
Pretty nice looking truck.
You
Yeah,
bet.
that cost a pretty penny.
Yeah.
This is where Harry and Johnny had their store, and then across the street was Lee's.
You want me to go down some of
Yes.
the streets?
Go down
Oh,
that
you can't get. You got to come back.
Jack, we should buy this post office when it goes up for sale.
This one goes up for sale.
Mm-hmm.
But now, where was Almy's house?
Down further.
Oh, well, I wanted to go
That
by
other
there.
way.
Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have had you turn that way.
Elma, when she was married, here's where we chivaried her.
This house?
Yeah.
Huh.
That was the end of the line. They've added a few more homes here.
Yeah.
Oh, here's one for sale.
Yeah.
You might. Two of them.
One of them back in here.
When I was a little kid, we had a house like that, except that's probably 5 times bigger.
Two of them. One of them here was at $130,000.
Oh, my goodness.
Who would want to pay that where you
Yeah.
can't even buy a Coke in town? You can't even mail a letter only except certain hours.
Boy, this is the end of the line, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's a nice little
A nice garage.
garage. In front of the house. What do they do?
Oh, he's probably working Omaha or Lincoln.
Got flat
Wow.
tires. It hasn't
I mean,
moved
that's
that for
kind
a
of a
while.
Yeah,
nice little
that's been
house,
sitting
I must
there.
say. But who would want to live here?
I think circumstances
Just
oftentimes
dictate
put
it.
you someplace and not. I heard Sharon say who'd want to live here. I think probably most of them are pretty old people, right?
Yeah.
Just still hanging on to life.
Just the fact that it'd be a heating problem would bother me. You'd have to have propane tanks or fuel oil or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you say? You ought to buy this when they put it up for sale?
Yeah, it's the post office.
Yeah.
They're going to
They're
close
gonna-
it. Going to close it. Nobody here anymore. This used to be down here on the train depot range. The train came 3 times a week
Oh, really?
from Ashland to
Oh.
Malmo and back.
Now Sharon wants to know where Elmy lived.
There.
This,
There's where Elmy lived.
this first house.
Okay, and then I thought
Yeah,
where
right
was the
here.
grocery store then?
It's,
Was
it's
Well,
it?
we
still the
passed
same
that.
thing, but
That
Yeah,
was
I
where
thought
that
back
new
there,
truck
yeah.
was sitting.
Oh,
getting
I
to
thought
be
it
a
was
mess.
here,
No.
close to her.
Well, yeah, there was a kind of a. They
A
called
store?
it Wolf's.
Yeah, Wolf's. That's
Wolf's.
the one I
You could
remember.
get-
I
Wolf had
guess.
a little
That's
a-
what I remember,
They
and I
cut-
remember
cut
they had
hair.
a picture show
they had
one
the
night in
buffet
between.
there.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. We ate in a cafe here.
Right, yeah,
That
that was
was
a
it.
Wolf's.
But
Yeah.
it seemed like right across the street.
That was a bank.
Okay, but someplace by the cafe there was a repair a car.
That's down
It's
here.
down further,
That
yeah.
was, wasn't that Dolores?
This is where Frankie
Yeah.
and Raymond Hass lived. Don Hass.
Look at that house.
Did Bob Wagner ever live there?
Who?
Bob Wagner?
No.
No, okay.
Then did Minnie
He
live
lived
over
up here, Bob Wagner.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Here's where Stilger lived.
That's right.
This was part of his,
Repair shop
Yeah.
or whatever.
and Johnny Andrews was born right on the next, the house is gone now. And
There's Thomas Lane. Oh no, Tom's. The A is missing. That's her house.
That's Dolores's house.
And where was Annie's house?
Annie's house.
Was it up?
Up the hill, Annie.
Yeah. That's what I
and
remember.
Sheboygan.
And Minnie's
No,
house
it's
was
over.
right down
It's over
here.
another block.
I want to turn here just to see the back of that house.
Yeah, she's home. The car's there.
Well, she might not be. The other car's gone.
Do you want to check their basement? Were you teasing?
Well, I don't know if I can get in if they're not home because the back door will be locked.
Don't want to embarrass them.
Yeah.
So was this Minnie's house?
Yeah, this one. Go this way.
There. Okay.
For Annie's.
Further on down this block is where Grandpa.
That's where Minnie lived there.
Yeah, Minnie
Grandpa lived over here in this little house.
Yeah.
Grandpa Rex?
Yeah, Grandpa Rex.
Often wondered where the outhouse was when I lived there.
So you lived there for a while?
Mm-hmm.
There were.
Wow.
This is where Hermie, you